Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I'm studying in Electrical and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm discussing about with a block diagram of discuss basic operational concept of a computer. Introduction to computer operational concept. A computer operational concept involves the processing of data and information through a series of interconnected components. These components work to execute the instruction and perform tasks. The basic operational concept of a computer can be visualized through a block diagram. Input and output devices. Input devices such as a keyboard and mouse allow user to input data and instruction into the computer system. Output devices such as a monitor and a printer display or provide a physical representation of the process information. The devices serve as the interface between the user and the computer system. Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer and carries out most of the processing tasks. The consists of the control unit which coordinates the controls and the operations of the computer and the arithmetic logical unit ALU which perform the calculations and logical operations. The CPU fetches the instruction from the memory, decodes them and executed them to the perform various tasks. Memory. The memory stores data and instruction that the CPU needs to perform the operations. RAM. Random access memory. RAM is the primary memory that provides the temporary storage of the data and instruction during the processing. Read-only memory (RAM). RAM stores the permanent instruction needed for the computer to start up. Data bus and control bus. The data bus is the pathway that allow data to data transferred between the CPU, memory and input-output devices. The control bus carries control signals that coordinate the activities of the different components such as the instructing the CPU to read data from memory or send data to an input devices. These buses facilitates the flow of data and instructions between the different components of a computer system. With a neat block diagram describe the input and output operation. Introduction. The input and output operations is the fundamental concept in the computer system. It involves the transfer of data from the external source to the computer and from the computer to external device. A block diagram is a visual represent that helps to illustrate the flow of data in these operations. Input operations. The input operations being with the input device such as a keyboard, mouse and scanner. The input device sends data signals to the input interface of the computer system. The input interface converts this signal into the digital format that can be understood by the computer. Input operations. The convert digital data in them transferred to the input buffer which temporary storage the data. The input buffer is connected to the central processing unit CPU through the system bus. The CPU retrieve the data from the input buffer that process is according to the program instruction. The output operation being with the CPU sending processing data to the output buffer. The output buffer temporarily stores the data before it is transferred to the output interface. The output interface converts the digital data into the digital that can be and that can be understood by the output devices. Output operation. The output devices such as the monitor, printer or speaker, they receive the signal from the output interface. The output devices that convert into the signal into the uh, readable or previsible format for the user. The user can be now now view, hear or interact with the output data generated by the computer system. Thank you.